In this video, I will help you understand why your life unfolds the way it does. Why some experiences seem to flow effortlessly while others feel like an uphill battle. That there are unseen forces at play, forces shaping your reality in ways you may not even realize. These forces are subtle, yet powerful, and understanding them can unlock a deeper sense of purpose, peace, and control in your life. Here are those 5 forces. Force 1. The power of belief. Your beliefs are the architects of your reality. Every thought you entertain, every story you tell yourself, creates a blueprint that your subconscious mind follows. Think of belief as a lens. It determines how you see the world, and in turn, what you attract into your life. Carl Jung, the renowned psychologist, said, "Until you make the unconscious conscious, it will direct your life, and you will call it fate." Many of the beliefs that shape your reality were inherited from your upbringing, society, or past experiences. But here's the truth. You can change them. When you replace limiting beliefs like "I'm not good enough" with empowering ones like "I am capable of creating my own success," you begin to shift the reality around you. Force 2. The energy you emit. Everything in the universe vibrates at a frequency, and so do you. The energy you emit through your thoughts, emotions, and actions is not passive. It's a force actively shaping the world around you. It acts like a magnet, attracting similar frequencies back into your life. This concept is often simplified as the law of attraction, but the truth is, it runs far deeper than merely thinking positive. Imagine your energy as a broadcast signal. Every thought you think and every feeling you hold sends out a vibration into the field of possibility, creating ripples that draw experiences back to you. When you dwell in emotions like fear, anger, or doubt, you emit a chaotic and disordered frequency, aligning yourself with energy that mirrors those states. On the other hand, when you focus on cultivating love, gratitude, and hope, your frequency shifts to one that attracts peace, joy, and abundance. Dr. Joe Dispenza, a leading expert on the connection between mind and matter, explains this beautifully. Elevated emotions, combined with clear intentions, can create new outcomes in your reality. It's not just about thinking your way into something better, it's about feeling it, embodying it. For example, if you're visualizing a future of happiness and success, but your heart is gripped by doubt or resentment, the energy you're emitting is not aligned with your vision. The magic happens when your thoughts and emotions work together harmoniously, creating a frequency so powerful it reshapes the energy field around you. Take a moment to reflect. What are you broadcasting to the universe today? Are you projecting fear or gratitude? Are you emitting scarcity or abundance? Remember, the energy you emit is not only what you'll attract, it's also the foundation of the life you're creating. Force 3. The collective consciousness. We are far more connected than we realize, not just through our shared physical experiences, but through an invisible web of shared energy, thoughts, and emotions, what is often referred to as the collective consciousness. This concept, deeply rooted in spiritual teachings and even psychological theories, speaks to the idea that humanity shares a vast, interconnected mind. This collective energy influences not only the world around us, but also your personal reality. Think about this. Have you ever felt a shift in your mood or energy after spending time in a certain group or environment? Maybe you've walked into a room and immediately sensed joy, tension, or unease without anyone saying a word. That's the collective energy of the people in the space, subtly but powerfully influencing your own state of being. Carl Jung, the great psychologist who introduced the idea of the collective unconscious, described it as a shared repository of humanity's thoughts, feelings, archetypes, and experiences. It's not just the memories of your life that shape your perception, it's the inherited patterns and beliefs of the entire human experience. The collective consciousness can amplify energies like love and unity, but it can also magnify fear, scarcity, or division if that's what dominates the collective mindset. The energy of the collective consciousness operates like a tide. When it flows in alignment with high vibrations, love, hope, compassion, it lifts everyone. But when it's dominated by fear, negativity, or chaos, it can drag you down without you even realizing it. For example, during global events like pandemics, wars, or economic crises, the collective energy often shifts toward anxiety and fear, and this ripple effect can affect even those who are personally untouched by the events themselves. Here's the empowering truth. While you're connected to the collective consciousness, you're not a prisoner to it. You have the ability to influence the collective just as much as it influences you. When you choose higher vibrations, love, gratitude, peace, you become a beacon of light, radiating energy that uplifts not only yourself, but also those around you. Think of it this way. Imagine a dark room filled with people. If one person lights a candle, the whole space begins to brighten. Your individual energy can create a ripple effect that shifts the collective consciousness towards something more positive and empowering. Force 4. Synchronicities and divine timing. Have you ever noticed repeating numbers, meaningful coincidences, or serendipitous moments that seem too perfect to be random? These are synchronicities, the universe's way of communicating with you. Carl Jung described synchronicities as meaningful coincidences that cannot be explained by cause and effect. They act as guideposts, reminding you that life is not random. Pay attention to these moments. They often carry messages about your path or affirmations that you're on the right track. Divine timing is another unseen force shaping your reality. Sometimes, the things you want don't manifest immediately because the universe is orchestrating events in the background. Trust that delays are not denials, but alignments happening for your highest good. Force 5. Your soul's purpose. Your soul didn't come here by accident. It has a purpose, a mission, a path uniquely its own. And this purpose is one of the most profound forces shaping your reality. When you stray from your soul's path, life can feel heavy, full of obstacles. But when you align with your purpose, you feel a sense of flow, ease, and fulfillment. Rumi, the great mystic poet, once said, "When you do things from your soul, you feel a river moving in you, a joy." Your challenges, your passions, and even the people you meet are all guiding you toward this purpose. The key is to listen to the whispers of your soul. What lights you up? What feels meaningful? These unseen forces, your beliefs, your energy, the collective consciousness, synchronicities, and your soul's purpose are constantly shaping your reality. When you become aware of them, you gain the power to align with them, to co-create a life that feels authentic and fulfilling. So, take a moment to reflect. How are these forces showing up in your life right now? Are you ready to align with them? Because when you do, you'll discover that life isn't something happening to you, it's something happening through you.